Hello everyone, greetings to all. We have finished the new words and dictation words of lesson number first. Friend for flash. Yes, no? Yes. And we also finished the reading in our Zoom meeting. आप सब थे ना Zoom meeting में? Yes? Very good. So today we are going to start the lesson. Now tell me first, are you going to school? आप स्कूल में जाते हो? यस आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं क्या वहाँ पे स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स होते हैं ना आपके यस यस अगर आपके कोई फ्रेंड ही नहीं हुए स्कूल में तो आपको कैसा लगेगा टेल मी फास्ट इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी फ्रेंड इन अवर स्कूल सो हाउ वी फील कैसा लगेगा हमें अगर स्कूल में हमारा कोई भी फ्रेंड नहीं हुआ तो वी आर फीलिंग सो सैड यस नो हमें बहुत बुरा लगेगा वैसे ही यहाँ पे फ्लैश को बुरा लगता है क्योंकि उसका कोई फ्रेंड नहीं होता सो इन दैट लेसन वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द फीलिंग्स ऑफ फ्लैश एंड अदर एनिमल्स ओके सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेसन Flash felt very lonely. He felt lonely because he was the only horse on Yellow Barn Farm. Flash is the lonely horse on Yellow Barn Farm and that's why Flash feel very lonely. फ्लैश जो था वो ऑन द येल्लो बार्न फार्म वहाँ पे अकेला ही था उसके कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे उसकी वजह से उसे बहुत सैड फील होता था फ्लैश फील वेरी लोनली और वो अकेला अकेला महसूस करता था कैसे अकेले अकेले महसूस करता था वो फ्लैश फेल्ट वेरी लोनली व्हाई बिकॉज ही डज नॉट हैव एनी फ्रेंड ऑन द येल्लो बार्न फार्म Next, it is alright for those cows, he thought. There are lots of other cows in the field. They can all moo and play together all day long. So here, the flash means horse thought that all cows are in a good condition. सबके सब काउज जो है वो बहुत अच्छी कंडीशन में है उनकी बहुत सारी मज़े चल रहे हैं ऐसे उसको लगता था So here the horse feel that all cows are in a good condition. Why? Because there are so many cows. There are so many cows in the field and they all are moo and play together all day long. अगर आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ होते हो तो खेलते हो ना दिन भर वैसे ही cows are playing with each other. Next, Flash wandered over the next field. It is alright for those sheep. Sigh Flash. There are lots of other sheep in the field. They can all bar together all day. They can bar together all day long, but I am the only horse. Here, Flash go to the next field or he walk towards the next field. Here, Flash again thought that the sheep are also in good condition. Sheep are also in good condition. Why? Because there are so many sheep. Because there are so many sheep and they all are bar together for all day long. What is the sound of sheep? Bang, bang. So they all are bar together for all day long. But I am the only horse. That's why Flash feel lonely. Flash say I am the only horse and he feel bad. Next, he wandered over to the farmyard. It is alright for those geese, thought Flash. There are lots of other geese in the farmyard. They can cackle and play games all day long. But I am lonely, only horse. Here, Flash again go to the next field or he wandered towards the next field which is the farmyard. Here, he again think that the geese are also in good condition. Geese are also in good condition. Why? Because there are so many geese in the farmyard. They can all play and cackle games for all day long. But I am the only horse. Here Flash again feel lonely. Why? He thought there are so many cows in the field. There are so many sheep in the field and so many geese in the farmyard, but I am the only horse. That's why Flash feel very lonely. Okay, Flash wandered back to his field. He thought of all the other lucky animals on Yellow Barn Farm. There are lots of pigs to grunt together, lots of hens to cluck together, and lots of ducks to quack together. Here, Flash go back to his field, or he returned to his field, and he thought of the other animals. He said that other animals are very lucky. Other animals are very lucky. Why? Because there are lots of pigs to grunt, lots of pigs to grunt, lots of hens to cluck, lots of hens to cluck, and together, lots of hens to cluck together, and lots of ducks to quack together. What is the sound of duck? बताओ जल्दी, हमने पढ़ा है ना? Quack quack. Yes, so there are lots of ducks to quack together. But there is only me. लेकिन मैं जो हूँ मैं अकेला हूँ. That's why Flash feel lonely. Tears started to fall from the Flash eyes. So Flash start crying. Why Flash start crying? Because Flash is the only or lonely horse on Yellow Barn Farm. So he start crying. Ben, the wise and kind scarecrow, saw Flash crying and peeped over the hedge. Ben, a wise and kind scarecrow. Who was Ben? Ben is the wise and kind scarecrow. He saw towards the Flash and say that Flash is crying. उसको क्या दिख रहा था? Flash is crying and peep over the hedge. Peep over the hedge. Who was scarecrow? Who was Ben? A kind scarecrow. Okay. Next, you are not the only one who is lonely. You are not the only one who is lonely, said Ben. But look at me, I am also the only scarecrow. Here Ben said to the Flash, Ben said to the Flash that you are not the only one or lonely. Look at me, I am also only scarecrow. I don't have any friends. Look at me, said Ben. True, said Flash, and he stopped crying. He stopped crying. True, said Flash, and stopped crying. Then Flash asked to the Ben, yes, you are also lonely or only? That's why Flash stopped crying. He asked to Ben, you are also only like me? Okay, next. Cheer up, Ben said. No one need to be lonely on Yellow Barn Farm. Here, Ben said, cheer up, Flash. Here, no one is lonely or only. We all are friends. Really? Asked Flash. Here, Flash asked to the Ben, really? Okay. Of course, Ben said, you can be friend with all the animals. You can play with the cows and the sheep, the geese and the pigs, the hens and the ducks, and all the other animals on the farm. Here, Ben said, of course, you can be a friend with other animals. फ्लैश तुम जो हो वो सबके साथ फ्रेंडशिप कर सकते हो. सो यू कैन बी अ फ्रेंड विथ अदर एनिमल्स. मीन्स you can be a friend with cows, sheep, ducks, geese and hens also. And best of all, said Ben, you can play with me. I have a broomstick leg and I can only hop about slowly. So you can give me a ride. And सबसे बेस्ट क्या है? बेन बोलता है what is the best? You can friend with me. तुम जो वो मुझसे फ्रेंडशिप कर लो. ऐसे कौन बोलता है? Who says? Ben says, you can be a friend with me. I have only one broomstick leg. Here Ben said, I have only one broomstick leg. So that's why I can only hop about slowly. I can't run fast. I can only hop about slowly. So you can give me a ride. Okay? You can give me a ride. Who said this? Ben said to the Flash, you can give me a ride. Okay? Flash looked at Ben's one wooden leg and then looked at his own four fast leg. Flash then realized how lucky he was. Would you like a ride now? Asked Flash. Oh, yes please, said Ben, and he hopped on. Flash look at Ben's one wooden leg. Here, Flash look at the one wooden leg of Ben, and then he realized that how lucky he was. Here, Flash is lucky. Why? Because the Flash has four fast legs, but Ben is only one wooden leg. Flash ride fast or Flash is run fast, but Ben is not run. He is only hop slowly. So Flash realized I am really lucky. So he asked to the Ben, would you like to ride now? अब भी आप राइड लेना पसंद करोगे? Would you like to ride now? So here Ben said, yes, I like to ride. And then he hopped on the Flash. The two of them became great friends. Means here Flash and Ben became great friends. Flash and Ben become great friends. Flash gave Ben rides every day as they visited all their new friends on Yellow Barn Farm. Here Flash and Ben both are become great friends, and Flash gave ride to the Ben every day, and they visited to their new friends on the Yellow Barn Farm. Which new friends? Cows, sheep, hens, ducks, geese. Okay, you understand the lesson? Yes, so read and try to understand the lesson. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.